2010 to 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. If you're looking for the interior fuse box, you're going to find it right up underneath the left-hand side of the driver's side. So it's underneath this panel. You can see it's outlined here. If you grab it from the bottom, just give it a little tug, whole thing pops down. On this particular cover, there isn't a fuse diagram, but here's one in the video so you guys can reference it. And this is the actual fuse box itself. Several different ratings there for fuses, a little bit of larger ones on the right, smaller on the left. Also a couple relays up top above the fuse box. And to put it back on, you just kind of guide it in the little slots there, push it in, snap it up, and you're good to go. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, I hope this video is helpful. Good luck with your project, and have a great day.